Today, we will focus on renumbering activities. Renumbering activities after you finish your baseline schedule makes it easier to follow the sequence of your project, and it helps eliminate any gaps in the initial numbering system that may result from deleting some activities. Additionally, it can be used to differentiate between activities in various WBS. First, you can renumber all the activities in the baseline schedule by selecting the entire schedule through Ctrl+A. Then, right-click and select Renumber Activity IDs. Choose the prefix, suffix, and increment value you want, then click the OK button. Alternatively, you can go to the Edit menu and choose Renumber Activity IDs, then repeat the previous steps. If you want to renumber each WBS individually, first select the first activity in the WBS, then go to the last activity in the same WBS. Hold down the Shift key, then click on Renumber Activity IDs and pick out the appropriate prefix, suffix, and value. We hope these tips and tricks enhance your P6 experience.